Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, for a distribution function of velocity component equation 2.21 of the lecture notes, find the following. You will need to look up appropriate integrals on an integral table. Find the average set component of the velocity v. B. Find an expression of the average square z component of the velocity. The answer of the question is sure. Here are the expression of finding average z component of the velocity v z and the average square z component of the velocity v z raised to power 2. To find the average z component of velocity v z, use the formula vz is equal to find the average square component of velocity v z raised to power 2, use formula. You will need to have the specific distribution function gvz to compute this integral. Once you have achieved this, you can perform the integral to find vz raised to power 2. If you have the distribution function, feel free to provide it and I can help you to proceed with the calculations. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.